everyone, in today's video we are going to go through how to find the volume of prisms given their cross-sectional area. Okay, so just a reminder, a prism has the following features. It has identical parallel ends and a flat surface. So as pictured here and here, these have the flat surfaces, the ones at the front and side. They also have parallel ends, so they have this rectangle at the front and this rectangle at the back. Okay, and that is the same with this triangular prism here. Parallel ends. These parallel ends are the same throughout the entire shape. Okay, so this triangle here is exactly the same as if I tried to draw another triangle here. These are called cross sections. It's where you cut the prism into bits and it is the face of that shape. Okay, we can find the volume of these shapes by timesing the cross-sectional area by the height. Okay, how far back the prism goes. This is also known as the depth of the shape or height, depending on where you get your information from. We're going to use height for this lesson, not depth, but just remember that the height of the prism is how far back it goes from the front face. Okay, so we use the following formula to calculate the volume of the prism. We use volume equals the area of the cross-section times the height. Okay, cross-section being that front face. And that will usually be measured in millimeters squared, centimeters squared, meters squared, or kilometers squared. Okay, because it is an area. And then the heights are in millimeters, centimeters, meters, or kilometers. Okay, a simpler version of writing the formula is volume equals AH, area of the base times the height. Okay, so let's have a go at doing this. Calculate the volume of the following prisms. Okay, so here we have a square looking prism, but it doesn't matter what sort of shape it makes as long as we have the area. Okay, so our volume equals area times height. Our area is usually in centimeters squared, meters squared, or square units. So that means this one here is our area. Okay, and then our height is in just general units, centimeters, meters, millimeters. So that is this one here. Okay, we're going to sub those in to our formula. So A is our 5 centimeters. And we're going to times that by our height, which is 10 centimeters. This is going to be 50 in the calculator. Now, because we're dealing with volume, we are now working in 3-dimensional units. Okay, so it's not just centimeters squared or centimeters, it is now centimeters cubed. Okay, so that's the volume of that shape using the cross-sectional area. Okay, let's have a look at this one. This one looks a little more complicated, but the area of the top section, this section here, all the way around, excluding that rectangle, is 18. Okay, so if I do volume equals area times height, our area is the 18 and the height is our other value, 5. Okay, let's replace those values in the formula. So it's going to be volume equals 18 times 5, and that equals 90 in the calculator. Now, we can't forget our units. It's not meters squared, it's not meters, but it's meters cubed. Okay, And if you need to spell it in the Google form, it's cubed meters. Okay? If you have any questions, please go to the Jamboard and ask your questions there. Good luck with the questions.